Merino wool versus active artificial fabric t-shirt drying test. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dan. So today I'll have a quick test of a $70 merino wool t-shirt, which I have it right here, and then here I have a about $30 active t-shirt, which is made of 30% recycled polyester, 30% regular polyester, and 10% spandex. And these two are actually, both of them are moisture wicking first drying t-shirt. But today I just wanted to test which one is faster, so whether the expensive merino wool or the cheaper artificial fabric. So I'm going to just put them on the tub, assuming that you're traveling and you're just in a regular hotel shower or washroom, and you're just washing them in the sink and just drying them on the edge of the bathtub. So I'm just going to see which one dries faster, and about 3-4 hours later I'm just going to take them out of here and put it on a chair and then wait overnight and see how they're doing, and I'll give you the conclusion. And I think it is time to draw a conclusion of the fast drying test. I'd just like to give you a little bit modification. So what I did, I kept them in the washroom for about 12 hours, and for the last 4 hours actually I took them out and put it in an open space in where there's lots of sunlight and air. Before, I thought the merino wool is not going to make it. This is the artificial fabric is going to be the winner. And also I forgot to mention that this has 30% rayon, so this is 30% regular polyester, 30% recycled polyester, 30% rayon, and then the 10% is spandex to give the stretchy feeling or stretchy looks or feature. Now this one is 100% merino wool, and the price difference is humongous. This is like $30 and this is like $70, but the conclusion is that the merino wool dried faster. So this is completely dry right now, and I can touch it, and this is kind of, I can wear it and even put it in my bag. But this one is still wet, so he's here, especially here and here, it's it's not wearable yet. Also you cannot pack it, but this one is completely dry. So definitely merino wool dries faster than artificial moisture weakening fast dry fabric. But I didn't think that this is the case. I thought this type of this type of artificial fabric would always dry faster, but looks like I was wrong. So definitely the winner is merino wool t-shirt, and the test ran for about 16 hours. So this is completely dry, and you can I can wear this or put it in my backpack or anywhere. So when you're traveling, it's advisable to take always fast dry clothing. They're lightweight and they're going to dry faster. Especially I don't take too many clothes when I'm traveling, so I wash them every night, and they're going to dry so fast that you wouldn't have any issue wearing them again the next day. So for the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.